If you're looking for the easiest way to use your phone as navigation in the car, you might want to check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my BMW i3, and I've actually put Apple CarPlay in here, and that's really nice. But a lot of times, and like when I go on vacation, they don't have Apple CarPlay. And a lot of cars that I borrow, you know, if you're touring or something like that, maybe you don't have it, maybe you don't want to install it. But I picked this up because I actually think that this is the way to do it. First of all, this is just a base and a mount and a clamp essentially for your smartphone. So you can put your navigation up there, have it on the top of the dash, wherever in eyesight. There's actually a flat area right behind the steering wheel in the i3 where this is going to be perfect. And, you know, adding the CarPlay isn't always super expensive, but it's like a real hassle to put in this car. So I can totally understand why you don't do that. But I want to show you, it's got a little tab right there. I can open this guy up. Up on the top of this thing, you can see it has some teeth. That's for holding in different size phones. It's got some teeth down here and a little bit of a ledge. This thing is heavy. It's heavy, dude. I mean, a pound and a half, maybe, I don't know, a couple pounds. And it's got a little beanbag like base here. It's actually pretty thick. It's probably about 1.25 inches in the back there and tapers down right there. This is actually a little sticky pad, and it seems very removable to me, kind of like those really sticky dash pads for regular phones that you wet and rinse off and then they're sticky again. So that'll kind of hold it in place. But just this grippy kind of rubberized texture right here and the weight, I think is going to hold most phones in place. Now, I'm actually recording with my iPhone, so I've got an old iPhone that I'm going to put in here and just show you how it works. And in the i3, right in front of the instrument cluster right there, is actually a spot that looks like it was bloody made for this thing. That is perfect. So I'm just going to pop this phone in here and see what it looks like. All right, so there it is. You know, I don't have GPS playing on there or anything, but if I was sitting back here in the seat, I could easily see that, get navigation directions, maybe control your music if you need to, but especially for navigation, especially when you're renting a car on vacation like I do or for work, and I don't know how to get around and I don't have a cable or the car doesn't have CarPlay. Now I can have this right where I need it, use my own phone with all the GPS features, and this thing is only like $20. And this is, I think, the way to go for most of us that don't have CarPlay and don't want to molest an old car. I mean, I do. I kind of just run my hands up and down, just like that, but you shouldn't do that. Pick this up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.